Hello, and welcome to your next installment of our Mastery series. I'm Cassie, team leader at Willoughby, and we're going to continue to talk about the gradual load up today. Last week, you heard Dominic describe what the gradual load up is and why it's so important. Today, we're going to dig a little bit deeper. Throughout the series, we've had several topics, including the 4 P's: posture, path, pace, and purpose. Today, I'm going to introduce another P that can be helpful when we're trying to understand how to properly implement the gradual load up, and that is patience. Remember that our primary objective is not necessarily to move the weight, but rather to create tension, to produce force that will stimulate motor units. This remains true in the instance of the gradual load up. For example, if I'm trying to move 100 pounds, I'm trying to gradually produce 101 pounds of force. If I have 200 pounds, I'll need to gradually produce 201 pounds of force. Which do you think will take longer? And this is where patience comes in. The exercise begins the moment we start to slowly apply pressure. However, as we begin, the first few moments are often spent just taking any slack out of the exercise. Just like as I gradually pull on this band, there are moments of movement and pressure before I reach a point of actual force being applied. So too is this happening as you begin an exercise. In the leg press, we might describe this as the foot dropping into the shoe applying pressure to the plate, the hips sinking back into the seat, and then once that full connection is made, pressure begins to build. You can see how this process takes patience, control, and focus. So remember, next time you start an exercise, have patience. Gradually load in. It's the most important rep of the set as it sets the tone for the entire exercise and ensures you stay safe.